So what we're doing here is that we're smoking some beef brisket and some bone marrow.
Oh, रब्बा.
एक तरफ गांड फटी है पर मुंह चल रहा है.
गांड चली तो ज़बान चली.
वाह.
How much of the bottle do you have to consume before you figure out what you're going to make?
1.5.
100-year-old houses. When you have money and you maintain them, they look like this. When you don't have money, you can't maintain them, they end up like this.
This is before we started making the show. This is after we made the show. कम बका तुम like कर लो, share कर लो, subscribe कर लो, वरना दोनों की औकात यहाँ घुसा देगी venture हमको. So we are here for Bike Week and I'm glad we're shooting it this way. We convinced them instead of just shooting the event itself, let's go shoot some restaurants. That's our style.
Buland is the kind of character you'd expect to stumble across the pages of an Augustin Burroughs novel. A musician, an architect, a bar philosopher in search of something.
And the reason we picked him is he likes to fuck with the entire industry. He's not a chef, he's not a bartender. He's actually a musician who then became an architect. Didn't know fuck all about food or drink. He's trying to figure shit out and shunt banata hai. मतलब ये भी डाल दो, वो भी डाल दो. And sometimes it's genius, sometimes not so much. But generally more hits than fails. And he's made his name and being breaking rules. And I love the fact that he pisses off everybody. सबकी गांड में चूल कर देता है. Half the people like, he's not a chef, he's not a bartender, he's not a mixologist. He's like, fuck you, I'm doing my own thing. नाम भी for the record लगता है record store आए हैं. खाना भी अच्छा मिलेगा, दारू भी अच्छा मिलेगा. Buland's trying to enter frame. But it's totally up to us when he enters the frame. And he has drinks in his hand. And his problem is if you don't drink it on time, no, his asshole puckers. So much pressure, no, he puts coal and diamonds fall out of it.
I think Shanky needs to get drunk a little faster.
Always.
Okay, so this is our rice-washed Jameson Black Barrel. It's an old-fashioned with house bitters. And that one is our riff on a Manhattan, but the vermouth we make is infused with coastal roots
And no
herbs.
cherry.
Wait, I've always wondered, these things they put on the drink, can you put it inside a drink or I'm supposed to put it out?
You can put it inside, you can eat it also.
That's what she said.
You were waiting for that one.
Oh, yeah. This will get me drunk.
Spirit forward.
Spirit forward. ये भी try करना है मेरे को.
Yeah, that black barrel works with this. Why do you go with these classics with the black barrel?
I did not want to do a sour type cocktail because it's very easy to hide the character of the spirit. Yeah. So like with minimal intervention, mainly spirit and as little as possible. And the vermouth that we make it's quite nice. It's not overly sweet because Black Barrel has that raisiny subtext to it. It's not a dry, it's not a sweet vermouth, and we can control it because we make everything in-house.
How much of the bottle do you have to consume before you figure out what you're going to?
1.5.
Oh, मतलब खाली आधा bottle बचा है इधर में.
अभी आधा bottle बचा. So where is my drink?
Only in Goa, you can start the day like this.
Water.
Wow. What? Liar.
It is not water. Cheers.
Oh, cheers, man.
Cheers.
This is a good drink, thank you.
Yeah.
Do this. Out, man. I got on my life. The chutias have arrived. बहुत वाइड लेना पड़ेगा फ्रेम अब.
We suddenly made half a ton ka table. Oh.
Damn, son.
That looks grand.
It's smoked with a house rub, garlic. My favorite is.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah.
अभी दारू चालू. इनका नोट्स डालते डालते सीखते ये भी नोट है, ये भी नोट है.
Why he starts loving his last creation? तो 1.5 bottle के बाद सब अच्छा लगता है उसको.
What's your on the menu tomorrow?
Buffalo wings, baby back ribs, then there's brisket, there's pulled pork, smoked chicken legs.
So we got our lovely Roxanne. So Roxanne is a humble little pigling. Some jerk chicken, whole chicken, brisket, some meat burger.
Hey, what last year?
A lot of surprises.
Oh, and there's surprises.
We have some fish and seafood also, yeah.
The one thing that people need to know, which was there last year, which probably is there in the surprise item this year.
It is.
The one thing that I definitely suggest you should be there for is a Maggie with brisket. That bloody thing is a game changer.
क्या बना रहा है oddball? Open face sandwich बना रहा है ना तू?
Yeah, open sandwich and roasts we are doing. So we make this sauce with the fermented bimlis from that tree and chilies, and that is our base sauce for most of the seasoning.
Okay, cheers, guys.
Cheers,
boys. Oh, मेरे को भी चाहिए रे.
Great start tomorrow.
2 days of
rock and roll tomorrow, man. Smooth like butter.
Ting ting.
Very little left, huh?
Oh, the famous bar. This used to be the back room for people who don't know. The back room, like most things, got used so much it has now become the front room. So, what are we doing, bro?
This is one drink I really like with this particular variant of the whiskey. We do a char grilled pineapple slices scenario. So उसके ऊपर हम honey और cinnamon का glaze लगाते हैं. We char grill it until it's like crisp and black. Then infuse it in Jameson Black Barrel and then clarify it because it gets way too fibrous. The whole thing, the pineapple, ye wo sab, and that black charcoal mark goes everywhere. So we clarify the drink and serve it in a cinnamon smoke glass.
Oh, this is lovely as a drink. This is really tasty.
Cheers.
Cheers, man. Thank you so much. Fabulous one. Come, let's cook.
Aye. This is a smash burger.
How did you smash it?
I smashed its hopes and dreams by insulting it.
Let me be the judge of that.
So we start with a sourdough brioche bun. We make everything in-house. All breads are done in-house. Beef gets seasoned with a mushroom garam.
There's a lot going on inside. It's not very simple
अरे वो
inside.
टमाटर है और onion है बस.
ये देख, ये दाबेली बनाएगा. Has to represent Gujarat. There'll be one peanut just hidden, just in case.
अंदर कहीं पे तो गरबा हो रहा है.
Oh, look at that, juicy.
Few more things for you guys to try.
Like it, two things are coming at a time.
Yes, this is a pork roast. It's a slow roast, but again, you had that sauce. So the dehydrated version of that becomes the dry rub. It gets seared in a buffalo sauce that we make with the same fermented chili hot sauce. And this is a sourdough Neapolitan pizza.
But the Neapolitan, otherwise, this is supposed to be a lot more
Airy.
airy, no?
Yeah, so
Because of
yes. So most of our stuff do not use fire for cooking. It's either like very slow aged roasted.
But that is what makes it interesting. Why to have you at the meat fest is because you're bringing something else. It's a little bit different.
Yeah.
It's also like we like to fuck with the norms, what people think is happening.
I love places like this, where the chefs actually just enjoy doing what they're doing. And they're not here to feed you, get a bill, leave. Like, even if you guys are here, and he's like this with everybody, it's not just because there's a camera here. He's here, he'll come, speak to you, you ask him what's happening behind the kitchen, you ask me what are you up to, and he'll love to give you small things to keep trying. Let's go over to see what Chris and guys are doing.
So what we're doing here is that we're smoking some beef brisket and some bone marrow. Yeah, we got some little pieces for the tacos and stuff. And then the bigger boys. We have this.
Oh, there's the bone marrow.
Yeah, I mean, that's for Chris's
Shot glass.
Yeah, cheers, Chris. You wanna?
So basically, we're going to use this, mix it, put some Jameson, pickle juice, mix it, and then you go shots.
Yeah! How much does one pay for this?
Heart and the liver.
Yeah, well, so this is what's happening, and then we're gonna put in the ribs once these are done. And then, yeah, we're gonna be ready for tomorrow.
All set for tomorrow. Now we have to go get the fucking missing clown. Sorry, chef.
The little pit master.
Same. Naga Baba को ढूंढने जा रहे हैं.
It's got a nice spot here, though. There's a swimming pool and everything.
So that's after you eat really spicy bhut jolokia, you dip your ass in there and suddenly turns into a jacuzzi.
Smoke comes out.
Yeah.
Alistair!
Oh, dude, there is an actual buffalo right here.
Few of them.
Oh,
You got a beautiful spot here, man.
this place is, it sets your fucking vibe, no? This is for tomorrow.
Yeah. Ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
Oh, yeah, it's started to get its color. And now we start sharing it.
Beauty color.
Yeah, this one's got some chili, this one's got some michinga. This is just brined and smoked.
That michinga this man does. It's his secret rub.
Oh, ये director ने बोला we have to sit on this side. Field of depth मिलेगा. पीछे भैंस देखेंगे. हाँ, बहुत big है. ये एक गांड के लिए है ना? So, Al, my man, what are we eating now?
a smoked pork and a kuni. It's the same thing that's on the menu tomorrow. Shredded smoked chicken, tossed in an akoni sauce. Dried beef, cooked in yam. That's a new recipe I came up with and it was a big hit at the last pop-up.
Oh yeah? And you have some of that deadly chutney of yours.
Yes, that's coming as well.
What are you serving with the black rice?
Black sticky rice, Manipuri black sticky rice. First dish I'm doing is smoked pork in a kuni, and we're adding a lot of extra love into it. So we're going to add some bhut jolokia. These are 4 smoked bhut jolokias that we're going to use in it. And this is especially only for Shanky because he cheated the last time. So we're going to get back. Okay, Shanky, this is especially for you. This is the
Oh, yeah, I can smell the
smoked chicken that we've tossed in an akoni sauce.
And akuni again is this fermented soybean.
Soybeans. There is smoked pork with some akoni and a lot of bhut jolokia. Manipuri black rice. Go with it. Shanky, that's going to save you today.
Yeah.
And this is again some pork done with a fermented bamboo shoot.
Ah, that bastenga is nice and strong in this.
That is the yam.
Oh, it's the beef and yam.
Now I'm also doing your fermented fish chutney. It's coming.
I feel this is going to have a little bit of an afterburn.
This is going to have afterburn. Your asshole will pucker tomorrow.
This is very tasty.
Super tasty food, man. I am so fucking excited about this.
Oh, yes, you have to pick up that chili.
Hey Shanky, here's another. This is a fermented fish. It's called nari. It's from Manipur. Try some.
So good, no?
So tasty.
This is so tasty.
What did you say? This is chicken in ahoni.
Chicken or honey?
And yeah, this is your favorite, the chaat tomato.
Oh, the chaat tomato.
It's good, no?
This is also really tasty. I had.
We're doing the same version in duck as well tomorrow at the Indian BBQ.
Okay, I'm trying to talk, but my mouth is numb.
This one's a little bit.
And oh, bhenchod.
I told you.
Oh, Rabba, this is good. Ah,
I told you I can just handle this spice better.
I am what I eat.
एक तरफ गांड फटी है पर मुंह चल रहा है.
गांड चली तो जबान चली. तभी तो
वाह. That's what this episode will be called. गांड चली तो जबान चली. Right, I mean literally फटी पड़ी है, but रुका नहीं जा रहा. It says abnormal heartbeat. I wonder why.
My thing is telling me go walk, fatso. Only tells you that you are unhealthy. 2 lakhs later, it's like you're a fat ass.
I don't know why we bought these.
हाँ, इतना सा शीशा जो मिलता है ना 100 रुपए का,
वो बता देता है.
वही बताता है. 2 लाख के बाद बोलता है मोटे भैंसा.
Oh, my lips are burning now. But great food, guys.
I think one of the best meals I've had. Again,
ज़्यादा सोच नहीं पा रहे इसलिए ज़्यादा elaborate नहीं कर पा रहे. But खाना मस्त है. Definitely come try this place. It's called Al's Kitchen. It's a little difficult to find. The funny part is, it's behind a gym which says 30-minute workout. Amount I'm sweating, I would have sweat more here than at that 30-minute workout for sure. Please यार, अब हमने literally गांड जला ली है. Like, share, subscribe.
ऐसे गांड मरवाई है. Please like, share and subscribe. अबे दूसरा लाइट भी क्या भेंचो?
डायरेक्टर का फेड आउट देखो. एडिट टेबल के लिए छोड़ा नहीं उसने.
वही डायरेक्टर ऑफ डिस्कवरी, वो देखो, कैन यू सी दैट टेम्पल नो? वो बोलता है यहाँ से शॉट मत लो, वहां से लो, वहां से चल के आओ.
कितना अच्छा लगेगा तुम वहां से आओ. सीट एंट्री होगी तुम्हारी वहां से.
हाफवे थ्रू. और उनका डीओपी मालूम है तुम्हारी बिरादरी का. सर शॉट मजा नहीं आ रहा. और चढ़ो, और चढ़ो,
दोबारा करो.
गाना क्या लिखे?
बहुत ठीक है.